Well, good morning, world. Let me hold this like this. So last night it got real cold, windy, and it dropped about 25 degrees. It's only in the 40s Fahrenheit today. Today's Wednesday. So today, Wednesday, my goal is to take my bike, which has 2 flat tires. I'm going to take it down to the market. I'm going to try to put it in the back of a taxi, take it to a repair place, have them fix my flat tires, and I'll ride it back. It is real breezy today. The wind is like 17, 18 miles an hour. So I got my gloves and everything. So that's the game plan. And then I'm gonna. Here's my bike over here. Flat tire number 1. Flat tire number 2. So okay. So I ordered a Yandex. It's about $2 to go over there. I've never been to this place. Okay, here comes my ride. Okay, so this is Mary. I think there's repair shops in here. Hopefully they can fix my bike. So I'll see what it is. So I'm here now. See if I can find somebody to fix my bike. I'm at the MEY Mirta place. There's lots of repair stations here, so I'm gonna keep looking around. Hopefully the bike places are back here somewhere. Okay, so the man here is going to fix the bike. It has 2 flat tires, and that one's flat too. So he's going to fix it. He's got the 2 boxes. These are the 2 boxes here. It's 2952125. So a lot of wrenches and stuff. I'm going to come here and get some tools maybe. And they got gloves too. This one too has a lot of stuff here. They got a lot of tools here, nuts and bolts and stuff like that, pedals, a lot of bike stuff here. So this is like plumbing stuff too, but they have a lot of good tools here. I'm gonna come back here and get some tools. WD-40. Oh, so we found one of those little stickers things was right in here. We pulled it out. So it was one of those little stickers that punctured through. So we found a hole. So now he's gonna put the new tube in there. So if I need something for my bike, I'll come back here. There's a lot more stuff over here, and I think there's. Bring your bikes here. There's a few places for bikes. All right, pumping it up. That looks good now. Oh yeah, good. Oh. Try not to hold on to the microphone. So it's still cold here, and he's got 1 tire done, 1 more to go. Pull out the old one. Pull out the tube. Oh yeah. Tube, put in a new tube. Okay, so then with the new tube, the new tube goes in there. The new tube. So that's a pretty good price to have it installed too. So he knows how to do it really good. Okay. Okay, so I'm out of here. I found this is the place where they have the bike repairs here. I'm gonna head out. They do a lot of bike repairs here. Bike tires here. Wheels like that. Come back, I come right here by Merritt, and I come down to the last row right here. There's the road out there. So the last row is here that goes down by the bicycles here. To get the bicycles done. Okay, so I got my bike fixed now. I'm gonna head out home. He did a good job. I paid him $5,000, which is like $11. Woo! Okay, I'm riding home now. Watch out, lady. Coming through. Okay, so Tamashaw's right up there. So I'm gonna go right up to Tamashaw, turn around and go back. So I finally got my tires fixed. Watch out, there's a bump. I'm gonna go around here and try to head back.